Hi, I'm Kirly-sue and today I'm making cheese and tomato upside down pastries with a sprig of basil to garnish. So let's get on with making the pastries. So to make these cheese and tomato upside down puffs, all you do is drizzle a little olive oil, just a quick drizzle like that, some cracked black pepper, mixed herbs, put the tomato in the middle, and then you cover it with the puff pastry, press it down like that, and then you get a fork and crimp the edges all the way down like that. And keep going till you've done it all the way around. And then you do that until you've used up all of your ingredients. So once you've pressed it down, you want to get some almond milk or any non-dairy milk and just brush the top. This is kind of like a vegan version of egg wash. And then you prick the middle, and then you keep going till you used up all the ingredients. So we've got another one here. This one just needs a little cheese. Just a teeny bit is fine. Put the pastry on top, press it down.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
our cheese and tomato pastries with basil to garnish. Just put basil in the last one here. And now all that's left to do is to try them. you ever made any upside down pies? Not pies. Have you ever made any upside down pastries before? Because it's like a big trend on social media. If you have, comment in the comment section below, let me know. I have made sweet ones as well as savory ones. They're really fun to make. Also, if there's anything else that you would like me to make, comment it in the comment section below and I'll create a list of recipes that I will make just for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because it so helps me. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.